I'm not taking your picture. Is it good? Is that good?
Is your belly full?
Is that good? Do something weird.
Bubble.
Why do you say bubble?
Bubble.
That's weird to you? Do a weird face.
A bubble.
Do a weird face. Yeah. Do another one. Do a weird one. Yeah, that's good.
Dad, do me.
Is that cold?
Get off me. Sit down, please.
No. Me, Dad. Do me. Dad, do me.
Right now I'm doing Sammy. Do a weird face. Do another one. Do it. Oh, your face turned red.
Dad, look. Dad, look at this.
Right now I'm doing Samson. I will in a second. Is that good? Mmm.
What's on your side then?
You get it? It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. One of the banana things?
Wow.
Eat yours. Oh, it's falling off. Sammy's is falling off. Eat it, Sammy. Eat it.
You don't like that one? But eat yours then.
It's like coffee.
It's salted caramel.
Yeah, I get that. Whoa. That was a big bite. Oh, I couldn't reach it. It fell. Can you get it? Find it? That's okay.
This is my weird thing.
What happened?
A little piece fell on.
Oh, just a little piece? Oh, that's okay.
Now, do a weird thing. Do another one.
Get on the chair. Stop moving.
Do another weird thing. Is it gone? Okay, I'll get it.